Hannah, thank you. The Davidson County woman who locked her 9-year-old stepson outside in a dog cage will spend years in prison. Sarah Starr is one of 3 adults charged in this child abuse case. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake has new details from court.
These are the 3 who were taken into custody last October. Today, the stepmom of the boy, Sarah Starr, pleaded guilty to 5 counts of child abuse, facing a minimum 9 years in prison. The boy's aunt, Shelly Barnes, entered a plea deal back in June and was sentenced to 12 years in prison. Jonathan Starr, the boy's father, is still waiting for sentencing. The assistant district attorney has said this is the worst child abuse case she's ever seen. Today, the ADA said the boy wasn't fed. When he was fed, it was spicy food only as a way of punishment. This was just one of several kinds of abuse laid out in court. As part of today's plea, Starr will face a minimum of 9 years behind bars. Once her sentence is over with, she'll have to at least face 3 years of probation. The reason for the sentencing length all depends on what's on someone's record as well as the law.
In 1993, North Carolina went to a structured sentencing guidelines where the legislature set forth basically a grid. If you commit this offense and this is your record level, this will be your sentence. And there's not much wiggle room within that group.
The judge presiding over the case today was visibly emotional in court. Cameras were not allowed at the hearing, but here's what he said to those in the courtroom. He said, quote, "When I get angry, I get emotional. Clearly, that's the case now. I've never seen or experienced something quite as so horrific. As a parent, I'm horrified. I'm speechless. This will haunt me for the rest of my judicial career." The judge acknowledged that the reason for the plea agreement is mostly to protect the 9-year-old victim in this case. The boy now lives in California with his grandfather and is said to be thriving.